Hello guys, this is 10 micro must-come economic questions in your test. A PPC curve is drawn based on which of the following assumptions: resources are fixed and fully employed, and technology advances at a rate of growth of the economy. Economic growth is depicted by a shift in the PPF outward. The slope of the budget line indicates exchange ratio of the two goods. The slope at any given point on the indifference curve is known as marginal rate of substitution. A limit on consumption bundles that you can afford as a consumer can be termed as a budget constraint. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the standard properties of indifference curves? That's D. The consumer's optimal purchase of any two goods is the point where he has reached his highest indifference curve subject to her budget constraint. Which of the following is an assumption of the production function? Technology remains constant. Complementary goods have negative cross elasticities, price elasticity of demand with respect to each other. Don't forget to subscribe, babe. I wish you all the best in your tests and exams. Cheers. Like the video and let me know.